Okay.
On the right. Teka.
Aray ko?
I'm sorry.
Ang daming nangyayari.
I'm so sorry.
Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to you. Thank you sa mga panonood ng video ko kahit walang kakwenta-kwenta. Today, kasama natin si Amy. Hi, Amy.
Hi.
And also si Shar. Taga-drive namin as always. Papunta kami sa Distilleria Barako sa Makati. Nakita ko kasi yung products nila. I went on their website. Nakita ko, pwede pala mag-book ng tour either sa Makati or sa Boracay branch nila. Anong reaction yun nung nag-aya ko bigla?
May ganun pala dito. I don't know na may distillery and then you can tour around. Ang galing.
Ako syempre excited uminom.
Excited?
Doktora!
Si Doktora excited. May pinagdadaanan si Doktora. Well, anyway, see you guys there sa Distilleria Barako. Woo!
Nadaanan ba natin kanina yung agimat?
Guys, malayo.
Hindi pa.
Charot.
Hindi pa?
Malayo. Hindi naman.
Teka.
Aray ko?
I'm sorry.
Ang daming nangyayari.
I'm so sorry.
Ang saya.
Over knee, straight ahead.
Okay.
On the right.
Okay.
Guys, tagong-tago itong agimat.
Feel ko ayun na yun kasi feel ko nakita ko yan sa website.
Ha, dinaanan natin to kanina.
Dito to.
Ay, diba kayo? Tinanong ko kung nadaanan na natin.
Hindi ako sure. Ito na nga ata, ito.
I-bleep mo yung mura ko ha.
Hindi! Speaker natin yan.
Marky ma'am, I'm Marky.
Hi po.
Nice to meet you ma'am, Marky ma'am.
Mark.
Thank you. So upstairs ma'am, we call that Agimat. So we have two outlets. So upstairs sa Agimat, then here downstairs sa Ugat. So this is our very humble distillery, ma'am. So everything's here, ma'am, talagang ano po talaga. So we do foraging talaga. At the same time, ma'am, we make some, we do discover some other places in Philippines that we will get some, like this one, celery from Benguet, ma'am. So we do foraging talaga. So imagine a lot of things in Philippines talaga na ano na pwede natin gawing alcohol. But everything's here, most nakikita nyo is like with alcohol content po talaga. Like for example, this one from Benguet, so basil. So yeah, you can smell it. Yeah, you can.
Look, kasi also sampagita.
Yeah.
Tunay.
Yeah, sure.
Juniper.
May toothpaste.
Juniper berry, ma'am, that was one of the...
Essential oil yun usually.
Yes, ma'am, at the same time, ma'am, siya yung pinaka-main component of gin talaga. Yes.
Oh, pero may nakita po ko yung product niya na parang blue pea.
Blue pea, yes, ma'am. Actually, ma'am, we have blue pea also here,
What's
ma'am.
blue pea?
Pag blue pea po, wala na yung juniper.
Still hindi, there is, ma'am, kasi still gin-based pa rin naman po siya, ma'am. So here, ma'am, ito po yung mga products namin right now na parang ginagawa pa lang, ma'am. So still pa rin siya. So right now, wala pa rin naman po sa market.
Whiskey
Yes.
po ba itong mga
Which one, ma'am?
brown?
This one, ma'am, is rum.
Rum, okay.
Yes. And then sherry barrel, and then white rum.
Kayo rin po yung nagtitaste ng mga mix niya? Or like you have like a sample group or something?
Actually, ma'am, we can do naman yan. But basically, ma'am, before kasi namin i-out sa mga market talaga yung especially our local products, ma'am. talagang talaga siya, kumbaga, every product kasi is like there is some license ma'am to bago namin i-launch talaga sa market.
Aklan because the owner is from Aklan or
Not necessarily from Aklan, but doon po talaga yung pinaka-base ng distillery talaga namin sa Aklan.
So doon kayo nag-start?
Not necessarily nung nag-start ma'am, pero doon po yung pinakayaan namin, ginagawa po lahat ng produkto talaga namin. Yeah.
So aside from yung Agimat bar,
Yes,
you have
ma'am.
sa Aklan, di ba meron din kayo?
Right now ma'am,
O
wala
hindi
pa.
hindi siya bar? Ano lang
Hindi
doon?
po. Yes.
Production lang?
Yeah, production lang po talaga.
Okay.
Production lang po talaga. At the same time ma'am, sa Boracay, especially Boracay ma'am, ang laki talaga kasi ng market, potential market talaga namin sa Boracay ma'am, kasi nga, especially foreigners,
Opo.
here in Poblacion also, because a lot of foreigners also here, so they're curious when it comes to our local products.
So parang doon yung experiment, tapos padala nyo
Yes,
dito.
ma'am. Opo. All the products that we have here in Agimat, ma'am, lahat po talagang galing po talaga sa akin. But this one, ma'am, is like ano lang siya, parang for display po siya, still not using talaga.
Okay.
We're not using this. So it's like for attraction lang talaga, if the guest asking for a quick tour, ma'am, so hindi pinapakita talaga namin.
Pero hindi siya gumagana?
Actually, ma'am, it's working, but dito, hindi talaga advisable na gamitin talaga dito. Yes.
So naglagay lang dito for para
Yes.
lang
The tour.
Yes, for the quick tour na rin po. Yeah.
Pag gamitin siya dito, hindi safe.
Not necessarily not safe, ma'am, but dito, like I said, ma'am, yung talaga yung pinaka-distillery talaga namin eh. At the same time, ma'am, if we will use this, maybe only a few batch lang naman magagawa namin dito. Kasi ma'am, ano po yan eh, yung when comes sa ganito kasi for production, ma'am, that was belongs to the distillery master. So, he's the one talaga, yung talagang nakakapag-describe when it comes for paano gamitin to. Yan.
Siya rin po ba yung minsan nagbabartend dito?
Yes, ma'am.
Nakita ko yung parang may mask, tapos
Yes, ma'am.
may...
That was our one part of our concept talaga. Yung nakamas. Actually, ma'am, source kasi is like, we have some like a ritual cocktail. So we call that ritual ng Agimat. At the same time, the second one is Puti Batalla. So may mga siya fire show. So basically dito kasi ulit kasi hindi talaga namin siya ginagawa. For safety measures na rin po. So all that kind of presentation, that was Ghostbusters talaga.
Okay.
Yeah. But still, nasa menu naman po namin yun. Yes.
Kasi yung try, isang yung may ritual.
Yeah.
Ito po ginagawa yung mga fire show namin, ma'am. By the way, this Rapa, ma'am, she's the head bartender here.
Hi po!
Yeah.
love it. Gusto ko yung spice. Wow!
Ramdam mo yung spice? Ito yung gin. Tapos ito yung lambanog ata.
Ang tapang. Yeah.
Ito kasi nag-pro kami.
May orange.
Parang iced tea na ba? Diba? Yung parang brewed talaga na iced
Grabe
tea.
no, like, sobrang iba.
Diba?
This is the Yuma. Okay.
Gusto kong popcorn.
Sobrang uwe. So good.
Order ko, inom ka ng alak ulit.
Lasang popcorn.
Lalo ko yung lemongrass.
This is the worst. Talaga? And you compare to the two. Pero I hate to get it. Ah! I'm not a fan of it.
Nag-enjoy naman kayo. Yan ang yung sasabihin nyo.
Hindi, sabi ni Amy, wala nang tama.
Siguro next time, try din natin yung food.
Pero, ang ganda talaga ng performance ng partner.
Ano pangalan niya?
Firebender.
Anyway, pag may time kayo, punta kayo sa Agimat at Ugat sa Makati, sa may poblasyon. Thank you for watching the video. See you on the next one. Bye-bye!
Bye!